Gotten ADHD medications online. Keep listening because this is going to affect 30 to 50,000 people immediately. Many as 50,000 US patients' access to treatment for ADHD could be disrupted after two executives at Dunn, a California-based telehealth online company, were indicted on Thursday on healthcare fraud charges. The Justice Department alleges that the CEO and president of Dunn schemed to provide easy access to Adderall and other stimulants to patients who didn't really need them, and then billed insurance companies for the medication. The charges mark the first time that the Justice Department has prosecuted a digital health company in connection with distributing controlled substances through telemedicine. Dunn operated on this subscription model where individuals paid this monthly fee in exchange for online diagnosis of ADHD as well as subsequent treatment and medication refills. Prosecutors allege that Dunn arranged for the prescription of more than 40 million pills, including Adderall, and generated more than $100 million in revenue since the beginning of the pandemic. Charges coincide with a time where there was a shortage in ongoing stimulant medications, so it was this perfect window of exploitation and desperation. In some instances, prosecutors allege that medical providers were paid by Dunn based on their diagnosis and their prescriptions on a short video or phone conversation on unlimited patient intake documents. And other times they prescribed without a video or phone call to the patient, according to the indictment. Prosecutors also allege that the company instituted this auto refill policy that discouraged providers from following up with their patients. They paid those providers based on the number of patients they wrote prescriptions for each month and refused to compensate them for follow-ups or other medical services provided, which basically screams that they were just trying to get as many new people through as possible. So in May of 2022, you probably remember Cerebral received this grand jury subpoena indicating it was being investigated. Anyway, after the Cerebral crackdown, Dunn became concerned that they could be targeted in a similar probe. Prosecutors said that they destroyed and concealed documents and records that could have been used by federal law enforcement investigators and began using encrypted messaging platforms instead of company email. CEO and president of Dunn were taken into custody, and if convicted, they could spend up to 20 years in prison. So this is messed up and scary. If you're one of the thousands of people that have been using this platform and are running low on your current prescriptions, schedule an appointment with a healthcare provider as soon as possible. Please leave questions and comments, and I'll try my best to address them as we get more information.